Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Live Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, wanting to talk about his date today at Nick's. And I gotta tell you guys something. Those exact same words yesterday, plus 5 times. You guys know the words. Wow, 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 on how I say it. Like, get this. They wanted to help me out with my quiz, and I let them because they were wanting me to pass. So my teacher let me do some thinking on that, and I was like, why not? And then after that, I went and I looked at my RAIA reference feed. And then after that, my RAIA reference feed was like so busy. I was starting to look up like Maine. Honestly, Maine doesn't look that interesting. They are on an old system, and I'm like, hey, if you guys are going to be on an old system, why don't you guys go look around for like a different obstacle? So, so, and I was like, so also let you guys know that there are like so many like different like Rio stuff and like the different areas we 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 have to look for. And also what's interesting about that, there's like 2 different options for like new people. Like number 1, you guys can go look up on the RAIA reference feed and say, okay, like now where are we going to be looking it up? Because that's a big problem for like new people. But new people sometimes doesn't even like the new radio system right now. Because they used to look at like the different radio stuff like number 1 from like a Motorola standpoint. And then after that, you guys have like the example of like what do we do for our children? Well, the bus system's on a narrow FM system, but they're down there in Bedford, they are on an NXDN system. And I was like, why not do you guys change it to like a more generated system? which we are not in control of that, just to let you guys know. And then after that, you guys are probably wondering, now Tommy, why in the world are you thinking about doing YouTubing like at a rare reference, but using like the different areas? And and honestly, what I think the U.S. needs to do a big change in like their radio system. I think they need to switch back to like do like Sevier County, like do like an LTR system for like their police. And then after that, you guys. And then after this is what my DW documentary looks like I'm watching. So that's what I'm currently watching for today. I like to watch these for some reason. I think they're really interesting. So also, it's kind of rainy outside here in Indiana. I looked at the radar while I was there at the Excel Center, like at the FlightAware radar, and I also listened to Louisville arrivals and departures, and they seemed like they were running on time, probably because some flights can go like in the rain, okay, because they have but some flights just use the helicopters for it. And it like some options you guys can go like look around at like the different radio stuff like in Indiana. But sadly, some places up there in Indianapolis, like most of their attractions, are like either like they're either like a rare reference input or they have like 5 different ideas they use. So so we kind of have like our own idea on it. Plus also to show you guys that's what my kitchen looks like right now before I start cooking. Tonight we're gonna have tuna patties and and a little bit of like different food. I'm planning to make my roommate some really nice before he goes home to his parents for Christmas. Alright guys, goodbye. I hope you guys make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video.